TF Kojo Tech TV on YouTube. Please, if you are watching us from YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to give you the free tutorial on how to change your WhatsApp icon and use different icon, or use club badges for your icon. Please, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You will like our video, you will comment on this video so that you will get the feedback of the video, and you also share this video to others so that they'll have access to our channel. And if you are watching us from Facebook, make sure you follow us, you will like our page, you will share it, and you also do what? You will turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of our videos, and you are going to be the first person to receive our videos. So we will open our WhatsApp. So we open our WhatsApp. But first of all, you can see our WhatsApp icon is what? Is the normal icon. So we are going to open it. You open it, and you move to where the three dots are. The three dots. Then you click on the FM mode. Then you come to what? The universal. You click on universal. Then you click on the styles. Then you scroll down and you move to where the launcher icons are. Then you click on the launcher icons. You scroll down, you choose any of them. So as you can see Manchester City. You can see AC Milan here. You can see Arsenal, Borussia Dortmund, Liverpool, Chelsea, Juventus, Bayern Munich, Man U, Atletico Madrid. We have Barcelona here. We have Madrid here. So that's all. So if you want to change it to Barcelona, Madrid, Atletico, you can tap any of them. But as for me, I'm Barcelona fan, so I just tap on Barcelona, and that's it. New icon applied. Then you go back. You go back. You go back. So it's what? It's still the normal WhatsApp. It has changed to what? Barcelona badge. So this is how you apply any team badge to your WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, you leave a comment, you like our video, and you turn on the notification bell so that you're not missing off our video.